Just like us, crops need nutrients to stay healthy. One of these important nutrients is phosphorus. It helps corn plants produce large yields, which is great for farmers and their communities. However, it can sometimes run off the farmland and into Lake Erie, which can cause harmful algal blooms, or HABs. Let's take a look at the different ways phosphorus can be applied and what they mean for farmers and the lake. The first method is surface placement. Brianna broadcasts her fertilizer because it's more affordable, though it's harder for her crops to use. The fertilizer accumulates on the surface because phosphorus is not very mobile in the soil. The second method is subsurface placement. Ian injects his fertilizer into his fields. He needs more expensive equipment, but he knows it makes the phosphorus easier for his crops to access. Now that we know where the phosphorus is in the soil, let's see where it goes when it rains. Since Brianna's fertilizer is on the top of the soil, some of it gets washed away and ends up in Lake Erie. This isn't good for her crops or the lake. Ian's fertilizer is in the ground, which makes it much less likely to run into nearby water sources. Once phosphorus from fields enters Lake Erie, the algae can use it to grow at a quicker rate than normal, and the once blue water turns green. This causes problems for the local wildlife and people. Reducing phosphorus is one of several ways to help our crops and our lake thrive. After Brianna learns that subsurface placement could save her money on fertilizer over time, she has changed practices and injects her phosphorus fertilizer into the soil so it doesn't run off into the lake. Harmful algal blooms affect entire communities. By working together and sharing information, we can return Lake Erie to its natural beauty. Be a part of the solution. Learn more at kx.osu.edu.